Hello my friends, so you're new to Instagram and you're trying to figure out how to do a live stream on Instagram. Well good, you're in the right place, so stick around. Hey, thanks for sticking around my friend. Bob Brown here. Listen, if you're an active subscriber, I want to say welcome back. If you are new to my channel and this is the first time you're watching one of my videos, then I want to say welcome to you. Also, if you're looking for more tips, tools, and training to leverage social media to grow your network marketing business, well, you're in the right place. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button there. Click on the bell notification. That way you're going to get notified every time I put out a new video to help you to grow your network marketing business. So before we jump on my phone and show you how to do a live stream on your Instagram account, I just wanted to say this. I've been using Instagram now for a number of years. I've got several accounts. I've got over 30,000 followers on Instagram. It is an amazing platform. I've used it to actually grow my business. A large majority of the leads that I get come off of Instagram, so it's an amazing platform to be able to do that. And now with the stories, you have an opportunity to actually be able to share a little bit more about who you are, your business. I've also just finished up creating a video that's talking about your stories and how to use them. You can find that in the card above if you want to go check that video out as well. And so like I said, Instagram, an amazing platform, just a wonderful opportunity for you to be able to share more about your business, your products, your services, what's going on if you're using it for business. So let's go ahead and jump on into the training today. Okay, here we are on my phone. Very simple to actually do a live stream from your Instagram, and I'm going to show you how to do that. So I'm on my main page right here. So in order to start your live stream, you're going to come over here and hit the home button, which brings you to your feed. There's my buddy G doing his exercises there. Up here in the top left hand corner, you will click on the camera, which will open up to your ability to actually be able to create stories on here. And there at the bottom of this you see several different tabs that you can actually use and click on. Well, the one we want to use is the live stream there. Very simple. So as you're getting ready to start your live stream here, you can do a couple things. You can actually take and turn the camera around so you can see me there back and forth on either thing that you want to do. So you can actually do a selfie type live, or you can actually, if you're filming something else or doing something else, do the forward facing camera on that as well. You can actually over here add some light to the camera if you needed to use something like that. But that's really it. All you have to do is click the start button, and it's going to check for a connection. At the corner, top left hand corner, you can kind of see it says it's live, and so now it's actually adding, going through and actually looking for, telling your followers that you've started a video, and then it's going to actually start bringing people in. And so those people that are on, that are coming on there now can actually see what you're doing. And so if I turn this around, they can actually see who I am. Hey guys, how's it going? I'm actually creating a video that is telling people how to do a live stream on their Instagram account. So you guys that are on right now are actually going to be in that video as well. So just a real quick, easy video to show you how to do a live stream on your Instagram account. And so that's really it. To actually end your live stream, what you're going to do is come up to the top right hand corner. You're going to go ahead and push the end button. And it's going to ask you if you want to end the live video. You're going to say yes, in the live video. That is it. It's going to show you who your viewers were on there that were actually watching. And then you can actually share that with others as well. So that's really it. There's a share button here or share button there. It's really that simple to actually do a live stream on your Instagram. So go ahead and start putting out some quality content, share your story, tell other people about who you are and what you're doing. Okay guys, that's it. Pretty simple. Just wanted to put a real quick video out. Had a couple questions on how to actually do a live stream on your Instagram account, and I wanted to be able to get that information into your hands. So I hope you liked this video. If you did, do me a favor, like, comment, and then share this video with somebody else. I really appreciate those things. So that's all for this video. I'll talk to you in the next one. So see you later. Bye now.